diversity. This is land of many cultures, languages, festivals and religions. It has been a wide variety of people, customs, languages. Over a vast area, the Indian peninsula home is a variety of rich historical tradition. It has been ruled by many kings, seen many densities and many civilizations. Different conquerors brought our culture and tradition from their native land and contributed to rich cultural heritage. Once the Mark Twain said, India is the cauldron of human race, the birthplace of human speech. India is the cauldron of human race, the birthplace of human speech. The mother of history, the grandmother of legend. The mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the greatest grandmother of tradition, the greatest grandmother of tradition. Our most valuable and most arctic material of history man treasured in India only. India has so much legal, social, religion. How wonderful to see. Our all people live together under the name of one country. More than 60-year independence. India is an existing and successful democratic country. According to Arundhati Roy, India is a lives in several centuries.